Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely while having a blast. Today, we're taking to the skies with two drones that promise to make you the king or queen of the air. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and on the right, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone. Are you ready for takeoff? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the big elephant in the room: price. The DEERC D20 mini drone costs just $69. That's like the price of a fancy dinner for two. Or a week's worth of avocado toast if you're a millennial like me. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is a whopping $258. That's more like the price of a weekend getaway or a year's supply of ramen noodles in college. So if you're on a budget, the DEERC D20 is the clear winner. But hold your horses, folks, because we've got more to cover. Now, let's zoom in on camera quality. The DEERC D20 gives you 720p HD footage, which is decent if you want to capture your dog chasing its tail or your kid's birthday party from above. But the Bwine F7 takes it up a notch. Or, should I say, several notches, with a 4K UHD camera. That's right, 4K. You can see every blade of grass, every leaf on a tree, and every wrinkle on your grandma's face. It's like having a mini Hollywood camera in the sky. So if you're a budding Spielberg, the Bwine F7 is your new best friend. Ease of use is next on our list. The DEERC D20 is practically screaming, "I'm a toy for kids!" With its one-key start, landing, and altitude hold, even your pet hamster could fly this thing. Reviewers love how straightforward it is for beginners, making it a fantastic entry-level drone. The Bwine F7, on the other hand, is like that complicated IKEA furniture you bought. Worth it, but you'll need the manual. It comes with GPS and optical flow mode, and even has a beginner mode. So if you're a noob, you won't crash it right out of the box. But let's be real. If you're buying a $258 drone, you better be ready to read some instructions. Alright, let's talk battery life. The DEERC D20 gives you 20 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to impress your friends at a barbecue before it's back to charging. But the Bwine F7? It's like the marathon runner of drones, boasting up to 60 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. You could practically fly this thing to the next town over and back. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, making it ideal for capturing every second of your epic adventure. Now for the fun stuff, the DEERC D20 has 3D flips and waypoints fly, plus voice control and gesture selfies. Imagine telling your drone to take off while you strike a pose like you're on America's Next Top Model. It's like having your own personal flying paparazzi. Reviewers love these playful features, especially for beginners. The Bwine F7, though, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has GPS waypoints, orbit mode, and can follow you around like a loyal puppy. Plus, it has a one-key return function, so you won't lose it in the neighbor's yard. It's practically a flying robot butler. Overall, reviewers praise the DEERC D20 mini drone for being a fantastic entry-level option that's easy to use and budget-friendly. It's durable and perfect for beginners, but struggles in windy conditions. On the other hand, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone is lauded for its high-definition camera and extended battery life. However, it's more complex and comes with a higher price tag. Reviewers appreciate its robust features, but note that it requires a bit more effort to master. So smart shoppers, which drone is the right one for you? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use drone with some cool tricks, the DEERC D20 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge for that high-definition, feature-packed experience, then the Bwine F7 is worth every penny. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. And drop a comment below, letting us know which drone you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying. And remember to always buy smart.